A GPS won't work for this one, but what is the guy's guide to girls? Well, this is Dr. Paul, author of Boomer Girls, a boomer woman's guide to men and dating, and host of Ask Dr. Paul. There are guides to girls out there, but I want to give you a note of caution. You know, we've got these players' books, how to be a player and what do you want to do and how to seduce them. If that's where you want to go, do it. However, I can tell you this, it's a very shallow direction that you're going in. Yeah, it works for a while and maybe you like that, but you're making a risk there too, and that risk is the reputation. If you want to be a pickup artist, perfect. No-brainer. Easily done. However, when I see these people on the tube who are doing the pickup and they call themselves artists, I'm underwhelmed because there's a qualitative difference there that you may not be interested in. If you're really looking for quality, that best guide that you can have is the one that says internally, that's a person who I'm interested in. And how to get in touch with them? Well, it's very simple. You simply be yourself. Don't play a game. Don't become something you're not. Don't play a role that you later can't support. Okay? And a sense of humor goes a long way. This is Dr. Paul. May your fantasies of today be your realities of tomorrow.